Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Tonight is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas to everybody. Today we have a new video with Eva, and for today she is going to create this Christmas lights face paint tutorial for us. So if you want to know how she created this, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in this video. To start out this design, Eva has a very light skin tone by Superstar, and with this she just paints the entire face and neck in this lighter skin tone. This color is number 017 and it is a very lovely pale skin tone. Once that is on there, Eva continues to an eyeshadow, and she is using the rainbow palette by Ben Nye to do this. So this palette has some bright colors and is perfect for a glamorous makeup. As you can see, that was a green color and yellow. Onto the lips, which Eva paints with just a regular face paint. This is the red one by Superstar, and as you can see, it is a lovely red color. Then it is time for the Christmas lights. So first Eva paints black stripes on her skin. And once they are all on there, it is time to create the optical illusion. So by creating black areas on her skin, she creates the illusion that the Christmas lights are pulling her skin together. And once at the end she is wearing the wig, this is a very convincing look. Time to put the Christmas lights up, and these are created with a flower brush. So just by pressing down that brush you get a lovely Christmas light. Eva combines a few different colors. There is a green, a red, an orange, and finally also a yellow. So just put them at random spots everywhere. Time to put a bit of light in those lights, and that is simply done with a bit of white face paint. This one is by Diamond Effects. Just put a white stripe on those lights and it looks like they are actually burning. Onto a white star blend. This one is by Maron, of course, and Eva puts the white star blend just next to all the black, and that gives the optical illusion just a bit more realism. A bit of black on the Christmas lights. And with the Ebony Star Blend by Maron, Eva is creating shadows around those Christmas lights to give the illusion that they are lifted a little bit from the skin. Finally, a bit of that shadow on the lips as well. So this is just the Ebony Star Blend. And then our Christmas lights face paint tutorial is done. Once Eva has put on her wig, of course. Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. We wish you a very Merry Christmas and hope to see you back soon.